In 1.7e, we're going to look at some new things. Okay, so given y equals u to the 6, where u equals 3x cubed minus 2x squared, we're going to be asked to find dy du, du dx, and dy dx. Now I'll explain what this means. We're used to seeing it this way, which means to take the derivative with respect to x. So here we have output, input. That's the same thing here. Output is u, input is x. Output is y, input is u. Okay, so let's do the first one, dy du. That's the same thing as saying d du. This is our input, and y is our output. So y equals u to the 6. So we're going to put u to the 6, not equals dy du u to the 6. Because y equals u to the 6, y is our output, u is our input. Now we're going to take the derivative with respect to u. So we bring down our 6, take away 1, 6u to the 5. Okay, let's do the next one, du dx. X is our input, u is our output. So this is d dx. And now what is our u? U is our output. Here we go. U is our output, x is our input. So we write 3x cubed minus 2x squared. All right, taking the derivative, we bring the 3 down. 3 times 3 is 9. Take away 1 squared. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Take away 1 is 4x. All right, let's do the last one, dy dx. This is what we're most used to looking at. So this would be d dx. And now we need a y as an output, but we need x as an input. Here we have y as an output, we have a u for our input, and we need an x. Well, u equals this, so now we have x's. So we're going to put that in terms of this u right here. So this is going to be 3x cubed minus 2x squared, all to the 6th power. Okay? Because y is u to the 6th, and each u is this, so this goes to the 6th power. Okay, from here now, we're going to take the derivative, but we're going to use the chain rule. We bring down the 6, leave what's inside, minus 2x squared, take away 1 from the 6, and then multiply by the derivative inside. 3 times 3 is 9, so we have 9x squared, and negative 4x. And this is multiply, so don't forget your parentheses. Otherwise, it would just look like we're multiplying by 9x squared, and we're not. We're multiplying by both of these, inclusive. Okay, so now let's go on with some problems in your homework. I'm going to give you a little hint on how to start with it. Okay, I believe this is 1.7, number 8. That's what I have in my notes. So the problem they give us is something like this. F of x equals the square root x squared plus the square root of 1 minus 4x. Okay, so how are we going to handle this? My suggestion has always been when we have a square root, we change it to 1/2. So this will be x squared plus all of this to 1/2 because of this square root. But then what do we also have? We have another square root, so I'm going to change this to 1 minus 4x to the 1/2. Okay? All right. So now that we've got this ready, we could now use the chain rule and take the derivative. We're going to bring the 1/2 down. We're going to leave all this inside. X squared plus 1 minus 4x to the power of 1/2. And then we minus 1 from the top. 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Are we done? No, you're right. We still have to take the derivative of the inside. Okay, and this is all multiplied. The derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative here, we bring the 1/2 down. Ooh, chain rule, chain rule, chain rule I see in here. Okay, so we bring this down. We have 1 minus 4x. Take away 1, that's going to be minus 3/2. Oops, I did the wrong one. Sorry about that. Okay. We're going to take away 1 from here. That gives us negative 1/2. And we're still not done because we have to take the derivative of in here, which is just times negative 4. All right. There we go. Okay, so there's a start. I'm not going to finish that for you. You can continue. So I'm just going to write equals question mark. That's for you to do.